Get an Aries man to chase you fast. 6 how-to tricks to get an Aries man to like you. You got your sights set on a Aries man you know? Well, here you learn how to get an Aries man to chase you fast with some simple tips and tricks. This was put together just for you to help you get your dream man to notice you. Quick note, these men like to be the hero and save the day. They also have a very sensitive side as well. Trick number 1. Let the chase be his. The best piece of advice for getting an Aries man to want you is to let him chase you. Yep, you read right. This guy wants to be the warrior, fighter, and ringleader when it comes to dating. He needs to feel challenged and be a conqueror of goals. He is a go-getter naturally and gets turned on by obstacles, and this makes him want things more. This is one of the best tricks for how to get an Aries man to like you. The second you start going after him is when he will lose interest. So you will need to do a balancing act to get him and keep him. He generally has an ideal version of the woman he wants in his mind. Trick number 2, offer up contradiction. He wants his women to be down and dirty, but also the girl next door all roll into one. You can be the woman for him by being a little distant to him and then giving him a little attention to work with. He likes to go after things that might seem unattainable, and you can represent that to him. This can work for how to get an Aries man to chase you fast. Trick number 3, don't be an open book. When you hang out with him, offer up contradicting character traits. So for instance, you might like to do charity work, but at the same time you do extreme sports or activities. This will intrigue him. Aries men like adventures and excitement. You want to be that type of person for him. This will help get an Aries man to chase you fast. Trick number 4, don't be possessive or jealous. These men also like to present double standards. So he may not like it when you do certain things, but he might do them himself. This can be something as simple as flirting with others. He can do it, but you better not do it. He can be possessive and jealous with you. Unfortunately, it turns him off if you become this way. So just don't do it. Trick number 5, give the Aries man plenty of compliments. Give him compliments to feed his ego and act impressed with his stories. He likes to hear about how great he is and see others' wild expressions at his work. This will make him like you more. Trick number 6, don't be a yes woman. This guy likes a little pushback from his women, so don't always agree with him. Don't always do everything he asks. Be a little argumentative at times. He believes this keeps the passion alive in his relationships. Now that you know how to get the Aries man to chase and like you, how do you get him to fall madly in love with you and devote himself completely and officially to you and your happiness? Click the link in the description box to unlock this secret to your dream man now.